So good morning, everyone. It's nice to see you here. And it's a pleasure for me to be your host for tonight. I'm National Marketing Director Ruth Rebong from California, USA. And I'm giving this opportunity to introduce to you our speaker for tonight. I've known her for since high school. She's my high school friend, classmate, and all, of course, my mentor here in Lifestyles. She serves CPA 11 years in a government institution in the Philippines, but now it's our she's our global marketing director, and also she has her global organization already. So without further ado, I would like to introduce to you GMD Rochelle Angel Cayabyab.
Yes, good morning. Thank you so much, National Marketing Director Ruth Rebong. Ayan. So, di ba, ang ganda ng business natin? Kahit magkakalayo, tayo ngayon ay magkakasama. And of course, we have the opportunity to reconnect with our friends, di ba? Nako, naalala ko nung time na NMD Ruth joined us. It was way back, I guess, 2016 or 2017. Ako, ito yung pinaka first international sponsor ko. Siya yun talaga, as in, na-practice ako mag-online. So, ngayon, dahil nga nag-iba na yung setup natin, so lahat tayo, we are now into online. So, I would like to thank GMD Violi for initiating this mindset workshop. And of course, nakasama kami doon. We have also international team under GMD Clarice and other legs under my organization. So, this is my first time to conduct a mindset workshop here in North America. So, I'm excited and of course, looking forward na dumami pa tayo as in dumami ng dumami globally. So, to those who have not known me yet, I'm Global Marketing Director Rochelle Angel Cayabyab. Basically po, I was born in Manila. And then, syempre, mahirap yung buhay sa Manila. Nirelocate kami ng mother ko sa Bicol. Kaya, ayun, natuto rin ako maging Bicolana. Okay? So, sa NMD Route, nakaklase ko siya high school. So, we were into volleyball, dancing. So, yan yung mga common namin. And of course, ang masaya lang sa lifestyles kasi we have now the chance to have our friends as well as pwede sila maging business partner natin. So, because I was into something in good health, nakapasok ako sa network marketing. Actually, it is my first time to join a network marketing business kasi hindi naman ako aware. Even I'm a CPA, I graduated also masteral, wala akong background sa network marketing. Nagkataon lang, may cancer yung father-in-law ko, so nakita ko yung intra and I was so amazed na napakatagal na pala niya. So ang ginawa ko, imbis na bumili, sumali na lang ako. So anong klaseng mindset yung nandun sa isip ko, di ba? I go for long term. Kayo ba ganun din? So, gusto ko kasi pag sinisimulan ko yung isang bagay, I go for long term. Sabi ko, kung iinom lang ako ng 1 bottle, 2 bottles, kuha lang for my father-in-law or for consumption, hindi ko talaga siya masusustain. So, nung magkaroon ako ng experience to have a cancer patient na nagkaroon ako ng enlightenment na everything that we eat, we breathe, we drink, pwede magka-cause ng sakit, nag-decide talaga ako na kailangan meron kaming iinumin for our entire family. So, kaya 16 years na po ako sa Lifestyles this 2024. 'Di ba? Exciting. So, hindi na ako nagpalipat-lipat ng mga food supplement or networking kasi para sa akin, kung ano yung nasimulan ko na nag-work naman, my father-in-law is a cancer survivor until now, ayoko na ng palipat-lipat, di ba? But I never expected na magiging career ko siya. Promise. Because my first choice talaga is to become a CPA. Yun talaga yung nasa vision ko, bata pa ako. So, okay naman. And I got the chance to work in the private and in the government. Actually, wala akong masasabing. Kumbaga, kung hindi ako financially drained when I joined Lifestyles, baka bili-bili lang ako ng intra. Hindi ko na-discover yung business side niya. But because I was financially drained and struggling, nakita ko yung long-term na may po totoo palang passive income sa Lifestyles. So, anong nangyari? O, di ba? So, nag-resign sa government. My husband also resigned from government. So, more than, ano na po kami, 2012 ako nag-resign. So, more than 10 years na kaming unemployed. So, lifestyles lang talaga yung business namin. So, if you are here right now and you are new in this business, okay? I highly recommend to you na visualize this on a long-term basis. Kasi, hindi po bago yung lifestyles. In fact, 35 years na siya, di ba? Marami na pong buhay ang nagbago from a tricycle driver to a professional doctor or a CPA, all walks of life. So, itong ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon is one of the technique or strategy that can really help you build your passive income. Kasi ang tinutumbok natin dito is passive income. Kasi kung mag-user ka, okay lang din naman. Kung mag-retail-retail ka, okay lang din naman. Kung mag-sponsor ka, okay din naman. But you have to work on your passive income because this business is inheritable, di ba? Namamana siya. In fact, ikwento ko lang sa inyo ng konti. Doon sa Bicol, yung pinaka-upline namin, she joined, senior na siya, 60 years old, I guess, or more or less 60. So, hindi siya na global marketing director. But before she passed away, she was able to sponsor few leaders. Konti lang. Actually, ang major talaga naging leader niya is GM De Russell. Then nandun kami sa ilalim. Na when she passed away, until today, alam niya yung account niya, kumikita ng mga around 300 to 400,000 pesos per month. And you know what? O, di ba? Yung mga anak na ngayon ang naghahati-hati. Isipin mo yan. Talo pa yung pensyon ng SSS, GSIS. Siguro kahit nag-insurance pension ka, tumanggap ka kahit nga lang 300 to 400,000 a month lang yon, di ba? But still, hindi na yun pinagtatrabahuhan ng mga anak niya. Okay, so, exciting? Okay, so kahit po nagpa-part-time lang ako that time when I started, talagang seryoso ako nagpa-part-time. Kasi ang tinutumbo ko talaga, ang ginigol ko is the passive income. Although less than 2 months nakabalik yung capital ko, for a year kumita ako na around 800,000. Sa akin yun, as a government employee, napakalaki na po yun. Kasi ang annual income ko that time is only 200 to 300,000. Annual na po yun. So talagang, nung makita kong ganun kaganda yung future sa lifestyles income, kahit love ko yung pagiging accountant, inaral ko maging network builder. Okay? So, anong topic natin that can help you in your journey to become a professional network builder and at the same time, to build your organization that will give you a passive income. Okay? So, I decided to do this business full-time. 2 years po with full dedication, and commitment, and decision. Kasi iba pala yung talagang 100% kang decided, di ba? Naging global marketing director ako. So, bago pa po mag-pandemic, I was able to go to Dubai in 2016. May mga distributor na po ako doon. And then, doon ko talaga na-feel na, wow, this business is very amazing. Sila yung nagkaroon ako ng mas mataas na conviction na kaya talagang gawin yung business online. Because we sponsored a person in Dubai and before I went there in 2016, marami na sila. 'Di ba? Ang ganda ng business natin. So kahit part-time ako noon, I am fully dedicated to study the business. Okay. So ang topic natin for today is build your momentum. So ikaw kasi yung gagawa nun eh, yung momentum sa business mo. Kasi hanggat hindi ka nagsisimula as the upline or as the person who will build a big organization, hindi ka talaga dadami. Kaya lang meron akong open and close parenthesis dyan. How can you build your momentum? Do this system. You learn through trainings, through coaching, you do it, and magtuturo ka talaga. Kasi kung hanggang doon ka lang sa doing, hindi ka nagturo, talagang yung duplication po mabagal. Okay? So, you learn, do, and teach. Okay? So, yan po yung pinaka ma-advise ko sa inyo. Unang-unang ilalagay mo sa system mo if you want to build your passive income. Di ba? So, ano ba ibig sabihin ng momentum? Sabi ni parang Google, The strength or force that something has when it is moving. Diba? Ayan yung kakaiba, yung galaw mo. Sobrang hindi ka nakakaramdam ng pagod, ng gutom, excited na excited ka. The strength or force that allows something to continue or to grow. O, di ba? I remember when I started Lifestyles, my first check was only 11,000, January of 2009. Sabi ko, my God, malaki na yun para sa akin because that time wala na ako sinusweldo. So, another month, another check. After 3 months, close to 40,000 siya. My God, sabi ko, equivalent na to na sweldo ko. Alam nyo, nung una, pasama pa ako ng pasama sa upline, tapos pinipili ko pa yung araw na magtatrabaho ako. But when I started earning that, nako, wala nang araw na hindi ako nagla-lifestyles. Feeling ko kasi, kung nagawa ko na hindi pa ako masyado marunong, mas kaya ko siyang gawin kung gagalingan ko pa. O, di ba? Kayo ba nai-imagine nyo yun? Kasi hindi ako nagbe-base doon sa fluctuate ng cheque. Okay? Halimbawa, tumaas yung cheque ngayon, next month, bumaba yung cheque. Hindi ako doon nagbe-base. Because sabi ni Harv T. Eker, your income grows as you grow. So, na-realize ko, yung momentum ko, hindi dapat nakabase sa cheque. Nakabase siya doon sa long term na gusto kong mangyari. Okay? Kasi syempre, kung nagalingan mo na, paulit-ulit mo nang ginagawa, syempre, magiging ano siya, magiging ikaw na yon, 'di ba? So, when you do the business, when you start the business, even if it's part-time or full-time, I highly recommend to you that focus on your personal growth because your check will not determine your capability on a long-term basis. Okay? Keep that in mind so that you won't be impatient, you won't quit, because monetary income here is just a result of the activities that you gave for that month. Okay. So when you have momentum, automatic it produces promotions. Your team will create regional director, executive directors, national marketing director. So what does promotion gives to your organization? Excitement, and at the same time, momentum. Now, for you to have this urgency, because without urgency, momentum will not be created. Okay? You have to set a 30-90 days program in your business. For example, I signed up January of 2009. I became an executive director February of 2009. So within 90 days, I was able to hit the next pin level because I was decided so that my belief and conviction also in the business will increase. Because without conviction, without this result in myself, there will come a time that I will also be in a moment I will doubt myself. Okay? So if you are a new distributor, have this decision that in the first 90 days, you will have your first check with Lifestyles. Irregardless of the amount, it may be big, small, whatever. What matter is you receive your first check, then monthly, see to it that you have your monthly check from Lifestyles. Better if that check is increasing month after month after month. Okay? But if it's not, it's okay. What matter is you are consistent, that you are building your business, and automatic your momentum will also be created in your organization. Okay. So, I'll try my best to speak in English, but of course, I can also be in Tagalog later. Okay, so why promotion is important to your organization? First, when you are running for promotion, you will discover your greatness as a leader because you are really pushing your limits. You will not accept no's and rejection that easy. You will be that smart to face all kind of rejection. You will handle your emotion better when you are encountering challenges with your prospect, with your downlines, because a leader does not react based on their emotion. but what is important in the current situation. Okay, so what else? It will help you achieve your dreams. Of course, when you are promoted, if you have a strong leaders, like me, when I started, I have a debt of 1 million in pesos because of hard work and commitment to learn, to do, and to teach. I was able to produce a lot of national marketing directors, and each national marketing director can give a passive income around 50,000, only one national marketing director. By doing so, my royalty bonus increased and I was able to pay off my debt. Okay. So, I had this chance to have my time freedom from employment. Okay? And number three, it will give birth to more leaders that will help other people. Yes, because promotion will not happen by doing by the action of only one person. It's a teamwork. Okay? No one in this lifestyles business was able to get their promotion without the support of their downlines. Okay? And that downline love you or supported you because of that, their personality and their leadership were also stretched. Kasi nga, di ba, may goal din naman sila. Kaya yung pressure that they embrace help them to become more resilient. Number four, many new people will have the opportunity to change their lives. Of course, when you are running for promotion, if you are only talking 3 people a day, if you are running for your promotion, you will have the urgency to talk to more people. Okay? You will have the urgency to be coached in a longer period of time. So you will learn more, you will grow more, and in effect, you will earn more. Okay? So that's the reason why you have to run for your promotion. You know what? When I was running for promotion, I never expected to be awarded as the highest group growth award. I was just into my goal to be promoted. You know, when I came home from Bicol, I asked myself, what was I promoted as highest group growth award? What happened? So what I did, I got my 2307 or the tax form I got from Lifestyles. So I compared the previous year and the recent year. My God, it doubled. The income doubled. So I realized that time that my income doubled without infusing another capital. I just work harder. I just gave longer times, but my income on the previous year doubled in the present year. That's why I was awarded as the highest group growth award. Imagine. And like in traditional business, you have to infuse another capital so that your business will expand. But here in lifestyles, you just have to put more hours and do more coaching and be mentored so that your organization will grow. Okay? So that's one. So what happened? Oh, look at this picture. You can see the personal transformation. That was me when I was an executive director. I was full of worry, doubt. I really don't know what I want, you know. Having that one-track mind, it took me some time. When I became a national marketing director, still, my emotion is not stable. Every time there are problems in my organization, I tend to stop. I don't want to talk to them. And what else? I doubt myself a lot because I don't experience, I'm not into network marketing since I joined Lifestyle. So, that's the reason you can see the highs, the doubt, and the fear, you know. But when I became one of the international marketing director, it changed. It changed because as an international marketing director, I realized that I have the capability to lead more people. The confidence was already built in somehow, and then I can see my future brighter. So I can feel that when I was already in an IMD, it's a different level. I became matured in terms of leadership. Now, 2 years from IMD with full decision, I became one of the global marketing directors. So the confidence, the emotional intelligence changed. You know, it's very important here in lifestyle that you grow your personality as a leader. because you will be handling people with different kind of personalities. So be flexible, okay? So as I grew in my lifestyles business, I started to realize my big dreams. I was able to pay off the debt, and then I started investing into real properties, several cars. Then recently, during the pandemic, I was able to build my home office. What is that home office? I have my own training hall, my own office in my home, okay? So I have my three-story building in Legazpi City. And this last year, I bought a condominium in Makati where I stay right now because my son is already studying here in Manila. And I travel to different parts locally. My favorite travel is Balisin Island. And we went to Japan last year. I've been to Dubai, China. And of course, the time with my husband. Because we are government employees prior to lifestyles. We seldom have time with each other. And we don't talk to our, we don't talk about our work, okay? But here in lifestyles, we have our one topic. Every morning, or every time we have this lifestyles business as our bonding. Okay, so that's the beauty of a lifestyles business. Okay, and later I realized, because I ran my promotion, I build up the momentum, my distributor also achieved their dreams, traveling, buying cars, and then buying their properties. So that's the long-term effect if you build your organization, 'di ba? Hindi ka lang magiging healthy, hindi ka lang magiging wealthy, magiging masaya ka pa kasi marami kang natulungan na nagbago ang buhay nila. And that's now my life purpose. Okay? So, this business, you will really experience up and down. Okay? Hindi ito, it's not a bed of roses. The ups and down here in lifestyles is more on the emotional control, intelligence, and at the same time, a test of your decision if you really want to be a missionary or a lifestyles distributor who will continuously be passionate to share a lot to a lot of people this business. Because here, if you started earning your passive income, no matter how amount is that, okay, because your lifestyle will determine your financial freedom. If you have a simple lifestyle, the passive income of 6 digit will be suffice. But if you are a dreamer, you want to help your family, like us, I have two siblings who are in abroad, but they are not covered by any medical insurances. So when they go home in the Philippines, I want also to help and provide for them. That's why I really love to do this business, because the huge passive continuous income can support not only my two children but also my entire family. Okay? So I chose every day, okay? I chose every day to be happy, to be excited. What else? I believe that money is coming to me, okay, with from multiple sources here in lifestyles. I claim I live with my mission, and I truly want this mission to be a legacy to my family. Okay? So, you have to decide every day, because lifestyles will only not give you money. It will give you fulfillment in terms of your spirituality. Okay? Because one day, you will see people that say thank you to you because their lives was changed. Okay? But there is one thing. Here in lifestyles, you really have to work on your team. Kailangan talaga palakasin mo yung teamwork ng grupo mo. Because having an organization that you do not pay salary to your downlines, okay? Hindi mo sinusweldohan ng mga downlines mo. In fact, if they are productive, you are the one who is earning royalty. So, the puzzle here is, how can you move your downline to be motivated to work on their dreams, okay? And you as an upline, how can you motivate them without feeling that they are being commanded as a staff because they are not your employees, okay? And how can you motivate them? You don't have any employee-employer relationship, okay? So that is the reason why you are always in trainings. Because here in lifestyles, leadership here is far more different from the leadership in employment and leadership in traditional business. It's very, very different. So, if you want to earn your passive income, the more you have to indulge yourself to all the trainings that you can get here in lifestyle, especially those who are far abroad online. You know, I realize in lifestyles business, leadership is the key. Okay? How can you do that? Bear in mind, if you do it alone, you can do so little. Together, you can do so much. So there are two kind of people that you really have to talk always. One is your upline, okay? Your mentor. You really have to be connected. And second, your downlines. Those two type of people are the major people that you should be talking 24 hours or every day, including, of course, your prospect, the third one, so that you can build a team. Your upline, your downline, and your prospects. But if you spend a lot of time with friends and, that are not supportive with your business, there will come a time you will believe in them rather than to your mentor. You know what? So, uh, the mind setting is very important. Mind setting. So, our mind is like a sponge. Whoever you're talking to most of the time, that will be the person you will become. That's why I resigned from Commission on Audit kasi doon, most of us are not trusting anyone that 100% because we are mindset that we are auditors. But here in lifestyles, you really have to trust your downline, their ability and capability to achieve their dreams. But because if you are judgmental, you are easily irritated, you cannot empower. Okay, you cannot empower people because here your heart should be pure, believing that no matter what situation your downline has, it is not their future. They can always change their future. Okay. So during pandemic, one of the trainings that we really, really advocate is the GMD Summit. Tomorrow and the next 2 days, there will be a GMD Summit online by P6. During pandemic, we are delivering around in my organization around 80 to 100 participants coming from Europe, USA, Canada, all over the Philippines, some parts of the Asia, because uh, all the people are not busy with their face-to-face activities. Okay? And they believe that, attending trainings online will help their business because they don't have other things to do. But here comes when the pandemic ends. Pandemic ends, natapos na. People now get back to their usual life. Okay? Bumalik sila sa dati. Busy on their usual work, usual traditional business. So what happened? Slowly, their business also, who are living and working through online, dies down. Okay? So, I understand because a lot of distraction nowadays. But, bottom line, let's go back to what we did last pandemic. It worked that every one of us was that patient and very much into the online trainings, especially the GMD Summit. And it produces also a lot of leaders. Don't worry if your downlines are not there, all of them, but focus on yourself, your growth as a leader. Because if you will not take this kind of training, high-level training, your leadership will just be the same. Okay? So tomorrow and the next day, if you haven't yet registered, ask your GMD upline, attend the GMD Summit because we have the best trainers and speakers tomorrow. So a lot of NMDs, IMDs were born during the time. And I know if we will only decide all of these people inside the Zoom meeting room to be dedicated and focused in attending the GMD Summit and other trainings online or face-to-face, your business will be in the next level. Okay. So, how can you build your momentum in your team? It's simple. Follow the system because the way a team play as a whole determine its success. Kailangan hindi ka lang mag-isa. Kailangan lahat ng tao mo, hindi mo man yan 100%, madala mo talaga sila. 'Di ba? Kasi, you may have the greatest bunch of individual stars in the world. Okay? But if they don't play together, the club won't be worth a dime. Kahit marami ka ng downline, 'di ba? Pero hindi kayo laging nagmi-meeting, hindi kayo nagkakaisa, 'di ba? Hindi kayo nag-uusap-usap. Syempre, yung trabaho nyo, hindi naman siya ganoon ka laki or ka-productive. So, lagi nilang sinasabi noon na, bakit ba dyan sa lifestyles, meeting na lang ng meeting, usap na lang ng usap. You know what, guys? We are now into our goal to earn our passive income. We are not here to just eat 3 times a day or to just buy a car and a house. We are here to build our passive income that when we grow old, that passive income is sufficient to sustain our lifestyles. Not only that, we are here to have a legacy, a big royalty passive income that can be inherited by our family. You see what I mean? It's worth all your time. So, if this business cannot succeed by doing it by yourself, you have to invest time with your downlines. Okay? You have to be the leader that push them to attend the GMD Summit, to attend all trainings, and checking on them if they are doing the business is part of our role. Not as their boss, but to motivate them. So this is the proven lifestyle success system. Guaranteed, already produced a lot of millionaire, including us, when we are new in this business in Legazpi City, Bicol. No online. All the uplines leaders are in Manila because GMD Peng and GMD Teen are the one who introduced or build the mentorship in lifestyles. What we did is just do the show the plan or the STP 2-in-1 and 1-on-1. Wala pa po noong mga presentation na grupuhan basta-basta. In a week, siguro nagkikita-kita lang kami once for the health and opportunity presentation and experience. But every day, we do the daily grind. Ano yung daily grind? 1-on-1, 2-on-1, home meeting. Ay, nako, ang galing lang ngayon. Alam nyo kung bakit? Because of this online. You can hook your upline through the Zoom. Okay? Even if your guests are in your living area, your TV will serve as the screen. Okay? Your upline can talk through that Zoom and help you present the product and opportunity. Or you can just ask them to join the Zoom. Imagine, very convenient nowadays to have a 1-on-1 and 2-on-1. Even a meeting is convenient because of the power of the Zoom and other form of online platform. Okay? So the bottom line, you have to be intentional to share the product and the business to three to 5 people every day. Complete, okay? Because that's the only time you can say that the person really rejected the presentation or the idea if they were able to understand the entire product and business. Okay? What else? So that's the part of the information. If they attend the HOPE, which is the second exposure wherein other leaders will be speaking, that's a good way to have their decision final and sound decision. Because sometimes first exposure is not enough. Okay? The second exposure will be better, the hope. And what else? If they are yet not decided, or if you have your new downlines with you, they are very much encouraged to attend the NDSON workshop. What is NDSO? New Distributor Success Orientation. And again, there is an online FB Live by Lifestyles for the NDSO. So, you just have to bring yourself and bring your team with you. How would you know if they are watching the workshop? After the workshop, call your downlines for a Zoom meeting to share their greatest takeaway or the GTA. Because if you will listen to them one by one, that's the only time you will realize what is the level of their understanding of the training. Because some are just watching but not understanding. Okay? So it will save you more time on choosing whom among your downlines you will really support to climb the ladder of success. Okay? Next, the RLT. So I know there in North America, there is an online RLT. You have guests, okay? So that's again another way to build your team. Bring your team to the RLT because their conviction and desire will increase. And the interactive or intensive leaders training by GMD Peng. So by this month of April, that will be on April 29 in the Philippines. That's on the last Monday of the month. Okay. So if you cannot watch that because it's afternoon, just watch the replay in your Business Builder Blueprint. Okay? If you are a qualifier, you can watch that a replay on the BBB. So it's okay if you were not able to join the live because it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon in the Philippines. I know it's late midnight in your place in North America. But if you're a subscriber of the BBB, you can watch the replay or the recorded. If you are not, better join the GMD Summit so that you can avail the Business Builder Blueprint by only paying 1,500 pesos because the regular price of that is 2,500. Okay? So that you can watch all the mindset workshop in the Philippines, the interactive workshop under the team of P6, GMD Peng, again and again because it's all recorded. Okay? It's not, it's always updated. By doing so, your conviction will increase. And last but very, very important is the National Gala. You know, the National Gala, I salute all the distributors in North America. A lot of them went here in the Philippines last January to attend the National Gala. Also, distributors from different parts of the Asia and Europe attended the National Gala. Imagine, I have one distributor, two distributor, executive director, Beth Landes and Helen Torrecampo Peterson. With a short notice and decision, they booked their flight to attend the National Gala last January. So grabe, no? That training, that exposure gave them more excitement that this business is really, really worth fighting for. Alam ko yung iba sa inyo, your family is, kumukontra, o di ba? Totoo ba? Taas nga yung mag-chat nga dyan yung mga kapamilya nila kumukontra. Tapos, sabi ng asawa mo, ano ba, nasa chat, nasa Zoom ka na naman, hindi kita makausap, chat ka naman ng chat. Do you have experiences like that? Okay, so, I know your family will really uh, adapt or adjust also to your new lifestyles. I remember when I was running for promotion, sabi ng anak ko, he was then I think grade 3 or grade 4. Sabi niya, alam mo mama, kailangan tatlo yung bibig mo. Kasi kanina kausap pa lang kita, ngayon iba na ang kausap mo. Okay? But you know what? When they experience the new car, the travels, the life that we had right now, malalaki na po sila ngayon. Ang sabi na nila ngayon sa akin, Mama, buti na lang nag-lifestyles ka. Okay, so Ibang-iba po talaga yung buhay pag nagla-lifestyles ka. I have the time, I have the freedom to choose kung saan ko gusto pumunta. I have the freedom to um, live what I want, di ba? Ang importante dito yung freedom kasi. Kasi maraming tao, maraming pera, pero walang oras sa family. Yung iba naman, maraming oras, walang pera. Okay? So, dito, balanse po ang buhay. Okay, so, how would you know kung yung team mo ba ay pang GMD na? Okay, mga talagang makakasama mo sa laban. Okay, how would you know? Those people or distributor that will join you in all of these activities of lifestyles nang walang tanong-tanong, walang mga pilitan. O, di ba? You don't have to push them or encourage them most of the time. But this distributor would always ask you, upline. Kailan ang susunod na training? Upline. Kanino ako magbabayad for the GMD Summit? Okay, you don't have to push them, but they are self-motivated to attend. Those are your GMD downlines to be. Okay, mga gem mo yan, di ba? So, minsan, yung iba, hindi pa nila timing. But when their timing is right in their mind and in their heart, sila na po ang mangungulit sa'yo. Paano sila makaka-attend ng mga activities? Slowly, basta wag ka lang mag-stop. When one of your distributors stop, continue sponsoring because you are just looking for the people who are willing to do the business with you. Okay? Work with the willing so that less stress. Okay? Hindi ka masyado mahirapan because lifestyles is a business. You can really choose whom you will be working for. Okay? So dahan-dahan from DD, mamamalayan mo because you are well mentored, you have your team with you, attending the training, you will become one of the global marketing directors. Okay? So again, reminding what are the 3 keys to be successful here? First, you have to have big dreams. Really, big dreams talaga. As in big and wildest dream. When I was not a lifestyler, sabi ko sa husband ko, I want to have apartment type or building type, but I don't think I can do that when I retire. Because I won't spend all my retirement for a building when I'm already old. It's very risky. But because of lifestyles, I'm only 46. I was able to have my dream building with my office. And now I have my dream life with my children. So that is the things that I can proudly say to you that if I was not able to do lifestyles, I will not be ever to experience that because my mom is a plain housewife. I cannot depend on my brothers and sisters because they also have their own family. Okay? So, be a person that can motivate your downline. How can you motivate your downline? The one thing I know is, as an upline, you should know their big dreams. If you know their big dreams, and I reminded them by their big dreams, you always tell them, oh, trabaho na tayo because sabi mo, bibigyan mo yung mama mo ng house and lot. 'Di ba? So, trabahuin na natin to kasi syempre para bata pa yung mama mo, mapatayuan mo na ng bahay. Yung mga ganong klaseng pangarap. And of course, if that dream is true to that person, wholeheartedly willing to work. Alam nyo kasi minsan sa buhay ng tao, hindi rin lang importante na nakakapagpadala ka lang ng pera, di ba? Maganda rin na dream yung makakasama mo, yung pinapadalahan mo ng pera kung kailan mo gusto makasama, di ba? So, yun ang isa pa na, yun ang sabi ng mga kapatid ko kasi, one of my sibling, sister ko nasa Japan, yung pangalawa nasa Dubai. Doon na sila tumanda. Sabi nila, buti na lang daw ako, aside na nabibigyan ko ng money yung mama ko, nakakasama ko pa. Sila daw, puro padala na lang sila. Hindi naman daw nila nakakasama. So, yun ang na-realize ko. Sabi ko, oo nga no, ang ganda ng lifestyles kasi yung earning dito, para ka din lang abroad, yun nga lang, tatrabahuhin mo. But there will come a time, magre-rip ka talaga na may time ka na. 'Di ba? So, and of course, willing to be taught. Alam nyo, sa North America, your setup is far different, of course, from here in the Philippines. But don't take it negative or detrimental on your part kasi may paraan naman talaga. Wag mo lang sarilinin na ikaw lang diskarte na ako kasi yung upline ko nasa Pilipinas. Hindi niya alam kung ano ang sitwasyon dito sa Amerika. Maybe true, but still, if you have someone with you working or thinking, sabi nga, two brains are better than one, makakasuggest pa rin yung upline nyo on how will you do the business kahit papano because maybe the setup is different, but the principles or the backbone that uh, make the foundation of your organization strong, hindi na po yun magbabago. Kasi theoretically, meron ng foundation ang mga network marketing business. Just like as a parent, o sino po ba yung mga magulang dito? O aminin natin, yung mga magulang noon, titigan lang tayo, tatahimik na tayo. Bawal na tayo salita. Pag may bisita, kailangan diyan ka lang. O, di ba? Huwag kang hahara-hara diyan kasi pagagalitan ka. But nowadays, the children, ano na sila, outspoken na sila. Talagang sabihin nila sa'yo na, ay mama, ganito yan, ganito yan. Minsan nga gusto, ikaw pa yung turuan. Tama ba ako? So, pero po, as a parent, hindi natin pwede i-discount yung role natin na turuan sila at pangaralan sila. Noon lang na panahon, the way of pangangaral is parang matatakot ka talaga sa magulang kasi paluluin ka talaga. Paluin ka talaga pag mapalasagot ka, whatever. But nowadays, parenting is different. You really have to listen to your child so that they will listen to you. Okay? But still, the bottom line, there should be a guidance from the parent. You cannot, do away with it. Sabihin mo, ay, palasagot na yung anak ko. Ay, bahala na siya sa buhay niya. Ayoko ng paladabog. No, if you want to raise your children right, you just have to change your reaction. Hindi mo na pwede i-apply noon yung sitsitan ka lang, tahimik ka na. Ngayon, subukan mong sitsitan yung anak mo, lingunin ka lang. Tama po ba? Okay. Hindi, but the reality nowadays, if you want to be a good parent, you should learn to listen. You should learn to listen, you should learn to understand para talaga mag-guide mo yung bata ng maayos. Kasi ngayong panahon, yung mga bata, ayaw na nila yung dinidikta yung gusto nila. They want to do what they want. So you as a parent, kailangan hindi mo na ma-apply yung nung unang panahon na ginawa sa'yo na sinunod mo lang na sinunod. Kasi sabi ng magulang mo, nauna ako sa'yo. Kaya ito ang tama. Okay? So, still, the bottom line, good parenting works. Iba lang ngayon ang strategy. Okay? Just like in lifestyles. Hindi po nagbabago ang foundation ng pag-build ng malaking organization that is building rapport with your team, attending all the trainings, connecting your downline to your upline. Hindi po siya nagbabago. Kahit po naka-online tayo or naka-offline tayo, the third-party credibility, the coaching and counseling with your upline, it works. Okay? Hanggang ngayon po, tumatalab po yan. Okay? So, I hope you learn from this training kasi pag pinilit mo ng pinilit, lalo na tayong mga Pilipino, kaway-kaway po, majority naman tayo Pilipino, okay? The majority of the network builders are Filipinos because we have certain values that really good in network marketing. For example, a Filipino also, may tayo sa usap-usap, yung usap-usap na ganito, okay? Ay nagkalat ang Pilipino. So, hindi po natin maiiwasan na hanggang ngayon nag-work din naman siya. And when I talk to foreigners, uh, uh, casually, they would always say that, I love Filipinos because they are, fun to be with. They are so warm. I can feel that they care. That's one thing a lot of foreigners would retire here in the Philippines because they love to talk also, to mingle. But people in the US are used to just work. When I went to Japan, the taxi driver is not talking. We ride the train that the people there, you should not talk. When you are noisy, they would really look at you as if they will kill you. you know, so those culture, actually, they're not really happy. It just so happened that that's their culture. But here in network marketing, building relationship and talking to people is really something everyone, no exception, would love. Okay? Connecting with people, they would really love that. Okay? So you just have to be flexible. And of course, add on to the system is I need the right attitude. Okay? So just let the learnings of lifestyles be injected in your mind, in your heart, because again and again, we are building our huge, continuous, and passive income. We are not here for a one-time, big-time check. We are here for the continuity of this business that will also benefit our entire family. Now, again, those who did not follow the system, they did not seek counseling, coaching, again, they were able, they fall in the RIP, rest in peace. They quit lifestyles. Oh, di ba? So, don't be impatient. Just do the system. You only need 6 leaders that will be like you, and you will become a global marketing director. This is a sorting business. Even if they're already here in lifestyles, the only effective way to sort your people is to let them follow this system. Don't feel lonely if your people are not following this system. Maybe because you just need to reiterate it to them, explain the importance of this system. Those that who will follow with you is your team player. Those who will not follow, it's okay. You are just looking for your right leaders. Don't be affected because you only need 6 leaders to earn your millions. Okay, so that's it. So, okay, I want you to watch this because this is something that excites me, that made me continuously do the lifestyles business passionately. The Lifestyles Perfect 6 concept of GMD Peng Mendoza. Ay, teka lang po. Ano ba yun? Hindi na nag-play na sana. Yan, okay. May sounds po ba? May sounds? Okay.
Mahina po.
Okay. Play natin.
Simple. It's just like playing the jigsaw puzzle. Just complete the puzzle.
Share sound ko muna. Okay.
And you will earn big. Hey, you don't necessarily have to wait for you to complete the puzzle before you earn. The good news is, while you are on your way to completing it, you are already earning. Are you ready? So let's start. This is you. You are qualifying every month. That's 1,200 points minimum monthly. You joined Lifestyles because you appreciate the products and the business opportunity. Your job is to find people who will appreciate the products and business like you did. They will be your puzzle pieces. To start, you need to find your first 6 people. They are your first generation 6. You will teach them to do what you are doing. That is called duplication. Your corresponding royalty bonus from this generation is 4%, which is 13,500 pesos. Then they will do what you did, so they will find their own 6 people. These 6 people that each of your first generation 6 found are called your second generation 6. The total number of your second generation 6 is 36. This is exciting. Your corresponding royalty bonus from this generation is 4%, which is 81,000 pesos. Your second generation 6 will each also find their 6 people, and they will be your third generation 6. The total number of your third generation 6 is 216. Goody! Your corresponding royalty bonus from this generation is 4%, which is 486,000 pesos. Your third generation 6 will each also find their 6 people, and they will be your fourth generation 6. The total number of your fourth generation 6 is 1,296. Yes! Your corresponding royalty bonus from this generation is 5%, which is 3,645,000 pesos. Your fourth generation 6 will also find their 6 people, and they will be your fifth generation 6. The total number of your fifth generation 6 is 7,776. Almost finished. Your corresponding royalty bonus from this generation is 5%, which is 21,870,000 pesos. Your fifth generation 6 will also find their 6 people, and they will be your sixth generation 6. The total number of your sixth generation 6 is 46,656. Done! Your corresponding royalty bonus from this generation is 6%, which is 157,464,000 pesos. Your total income for this complete puzzle, everyone qualifying, is 165,203,550 pesos. So what are you waiting for? Start putting your puzzle together.
Yes, na-excite ba kayo? Wow.
Yes, it's nice.
Exciting, di ba? Nako, alam nyo, hindi yan imposible. Actually, lahat lang tayo mag-qualify, buwan-buwan. Bili tayo ng 35 bottles or mag-sponsor tayo ng isang express. Ano po, dana po yan. Kung maging culture natin, lahat, may sponsor o walang sponsor, meron tayong PGV na 1,200 points minimum. At maipasa po natin yan sa baba natin. Paano ba nabubuo yung 1,200 points? Kung wala ka namang na-sponsor pa, pwede ka namang bili ka ng 9 bottles ngayon, benta mo, next week benta mo yung 9 bottles ulit, magpa-rolling ka lang. Kasi 9 times 4 weeks, ano po, halos PGV na po yan. Okay? Meaning nagpa-planting tayo ng products, nagre-retailing tayo. So, maka-sponsor o hindi ka maka-sponsor, lagi ka nang qualified. So, dapat hindi lang tayo kung nag-i-sponsor, nagko-qualify din tayo ng ating PGB. So, sabihin ng iba, ma'am, wala naman ako royalty sa ilalim. Hindi po yun importante. Tanim lang tayo ng tanim para meron po tayong aanihin. Diba? So, this is my life verse. Kasi sabi ko nga, diba, hindi po ako talaga nangarap maging network marketer. Hindi rin ako nangarap maging negosyante by birth. Okay? Ang pangarap ko lang talaga is maging accountant. Feeling ko, pag-iempleyado lang ang alam ko. But you know, God will never commit mistake. Meron kasi siyang mga galing na ibinigay sa atin. Meron siyang mga talento na binigay sa atin na siya lang ang nakakaalam. And the only way to unleash that greatness, that kapasidad mo talaga, is for you to undergo challenges. 'Di ba? Marami sa atin, like nga sabi si GMD Love, 'di ba? Dati nakaasa siya dun sa asawa niya, but now, look at her. She is now a global marketing director. So, ang daming kwento natin. Bawat isa sa atin may mga kwento na hindi natin akalain na magkikita-kita tayo dito sa lifestyles. Diba? Kaya nga sabi ko, hindi tayo naghanap kay lifestyles. Tayo ang nahanap niya. Kasi ito yung binigay ni Lord sa atin na paraan para ma-unleash kung gaano tayo kagaling. Diba? Na yung galing mo, may matulungan kang maraming tao na magbago talaga yung buhay nila. Diba? Kaya dito sa lifestyles, I really believe in this Proverbs 19 verse 21. Many are the plans in a person's heart, but it is the Lord's purpose that prevails. So every time nagdadalawang isip na naman ako, gusto ko na naman bumalik sa dating pagka-introvert ko. Pag napapagod ako mag-training, o 'di ba? At gusto ko matulog, manood na lang ako ng Netflix kasi mahilig ako diyan, mag-movie marathon. Wala ako hilig mag-shopping, pero mahilig ako manood, 'di ba? Ang daming temptation na wag na lang to gawin, but because I believe that God gave me this opportunity to serve a lot of people, pinanghahawakan ko po yun. And I'm sure, kayo din, naiisip nyo din yon, di ba? So let's just be grateful that Lifestyles has the best product in the world. It has the best compensation in the world. And plus, they have the best corporate support in the world, di ba? Shout out natin si Miss Mai, si Sir Jason. Grabe, alam nyo, buong Lifestyles po. Magpunta ka kahit sa corporate office ng Lifestyles, napakababait po ng staff because it comes from the owner. Sir David, Sir Sean, Sir Paul, ang babait po ng may-ari na talagang kahit sila na yung may-ari, sila yung nag-formulate ng product, isang PM, isang email mo, sasagot talaga sila. Di ba ang galing? Yan po yung meron na ang Lifestyles na hindi nyo po maipagpapalit sa anumang kumpanya na meron because here you really find the warmth and family in the Lifestyles community. Okay? So that's all for today. Let's end this with a prayer. I request everyone to please bow your heads and feel the presence of the Lord. Panginoon, thank you God for this fruitful workshop. Thank you God for the presence of all here in the Zoom meeting room, all the distributors. Maraming salamat po sa buhay nila. And of course, we lift up to you our mentor of all mentors, GMD Peng Mendoza, and all the P6 GMDs na continuously po na nakakapag-isip kung paano po tutulungan ang mga distributors matupad din ang mga pangarap nila. Alam namin, Panginoon, na nilagay niyo po kami dito for a reason na ito po yung magiging pamamaraan para po mas makapaglingkod kami sa inyo. We thank you, God. We glorify you. May all our goal this April, Panginoon, mahit po ng bawat isa, promotion, increase in organization, Panginoon, whatever our heart's desire, Panginoon, mabigay mo po sa bawat isa. May we be able to trust our mentor 100% and our downlines 100%. All of this, Lord, we glorify you. Amen and amen. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. So, thank you po. Good morning.
Thank you so much po for this evening and a lot of learnings from GMD Rochelle. Thank you. And all the guests, all the elite leaders all over the world, thank you so much po and good night.
Thank
you
you.
po.
Thank
Thank
you,
you
Miss
po.
Mai.
Thank you, GMD Rochelle and
Thank
NMD
you.
Ruth. Thank you so much.
Thank you, GMD Rochelle.
Picture.
Thank you, GMD.
GMD
Ako,
Rochelle.
group picture. Pwede magpa-screenshot. Sino ba marunong? Hindi marunong sa laptop
Ay,
mag-screenshot.
naku, marunong.
Si si
Thank
GMD
you
lang.
po. Thank you so
Ayan.
much.
Sige po, open po kayo ng cam for the group picture.
Yes po, open po na. Picture lang, tapos in 1 minute.
Show your
upload
GMD
ko po,
smile. 1, 2, 3. GMD. Okay, another page. 1, 2, 3. GMD. And then another one. Dami. Congratulations.
Wow.
1, 2, 3. GMD. Yay! Tapos na po.
Thank
Thank
you.
you
Bye,
po.
Thank you
everyone.
po. Bye. Nice to
Thank
see all of
you.
you.